Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on your HTC Desire 22 Pro. So to do this, first let's open the RAR app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. Now we need to find the file that we want to unpack, and this one is right here. Then click on the file and the arrow pointing up button right here. We can enter extraction options, change any of them. After doing so, go for the browse. You'll be able to pick where to unpack these files, and I want them in the movies folder. When it's ready, click on OK, and your files should be unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.